Basically, setting time frame for your chart is a very important thing. So if you see my chart, if I choose a particular candle, let's suppose I choose this particular red candle, then this red candle reflects that the opening price of the candle was 127.82, the high price was 128, the low price was 125.21, and the closing price was 125.43. A candle is always a red candle when the opening price is below the closing price. So can you see here? You will simply see that the opening price was 127.82 dollars for this candle. However, the closing price was $125.43. So this is a red candle. The upside dot of the candle reflects the highest price, that is 128, and the downside dot or the line, the thinner line, shows the lowest price. So this reflects a candle in a single day. If I choose 1 hour candles, then the 1 hour candle will reflect another things, that every single hour what was the highest price, what was the lowest price, what was the open, and what was the close. So selecting the time frame represent in that whole hour, what was the impact of price, that is opening, closing, high and low. Also, you can choose different time frame candles, just like 5 minute candles, 1 minute candles. You can choose 2 hours, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and so on. Now, being a trader, you need to think that which time frame is the most important time frame for you. So, before understanding that, let's discuss the type of traders. So, firstly, there are intraday traders. These are the people who buy or sell in a single day and reverse their position. So, if I buy in the morning shares of Apple Inc. and sell them in the afternoon, then I will be known as intraday trader, because I am doing the same day purchase and sale transaction. There are another people known as scalpers. These are the people who hold the stock only for a few minutes to few seconds just to gain the benefit of mispricing. So there are a lot of algo trading softwares which the people keep on using in the market so that they can hold the stock for minutes to seconds and then get the benefit of mispricing. Then there are positional traders. These are the people who hold the shares overnight for certain weeks to certain months. And lastly, we get the people who are investors. These are the people who hold the shares for more than a year and then they have a perspective of long term investing. Now, after analyzing this thing, you always think which chart or which time frame is more suitable for you. So if you are an intraday trader, then a candlestick chart of 15-minute may be suitable for you, because 15 minutes is a reasonable time frame which can help you to understand the direction. So if you choose a 15-minute candle, then you can see about the directions. So if you choose 15-minute candle, then on a particular day this whole area reflects increasing trend, this whole area reflects decreasing trend, and you can choose 15 minutes candle for this purpose. But if you are a scalper, then you can choose lower time frame candle also. Instead of 15 minutes, you can choose a 5 minute candle. And when you can see that there is a stagnation in the market, that it's neither increasing or decreasing, then you should not enter into any of the trade. But once you see that in the 5 minute site the market starts to fall, then if you enter at this point of time at $126.37, still you will gain the benefit because market will go down more. So if you are a positional trader, then you will be definitely holding the shares for more time. So you can definitely choose the time frame as 1 day, and if you choose the time frame as one day, you can decide when to enter. And lastly, if you are an investor, then definitely you can choose weekly charts, monthly charts, and other charts based upon your requirement. So if you think about the technical analysis and technical trading, that your single minute wise charts are the most important factors which you need to consider.